Emmanuel. Oh, Emmanuel. Cry unto God for 1 minute. Say, God, betten me. Let the betten fall upon my life. Emmanuel. Betten me, Emmanuel. Oh, Emmanuel. Betten me, Father, I want to work for you. I will stand for you, my generation. I pledge my life to you, Cry to God. The presence of God. Pakatato. Will Jesus come and he finds you in this state? With all the investment that he placed upon your life, you are still waiting for pastor to come and perform miracle for you. You are a joke with this generation. There is no more pastor to perform miracle for you. You have to imagine how there's a miracle worker. Why are you sleeping? Why are you depending on men in these last days? God is about to raise men, but he won't raise men that are not better. Carry something tonight. Emmanuel. Shatai. Sodatai tagina kapele. Zina kaila hura sote. Give me room for you. Son, leave it. There was an angel. There was an angel that slept this lady here. This one was being slept by an angel. When Seer Wisdom was ministering, an angel was sleeping this lady. And I was saying, God, what is this? And I began to trace something in her life. Okay, remove the chairs. Shatai Erangena Ifakapona Tadele Erina Ilahura Tagina Zeze I saw the fire that I was carrying coming upon this man. It's my first time meeting him, but I saw the fire coming from my face and it came and hit him. And the Lord was ministering to me that this one will rise in your altar.
Oh yes.
This man, he will rise in this altar.
Oh yes.
God is about to use him in these last days. Hey, why is an angel slapping you? I saw him slapping you here, like this, like this. Sotaka. Mehikatani akuparatani. Carry the baton.
Ima. Ayangangina igayatatele. Stand here. Emmanuel. Ima.
Do the straight chords.
Ima.
Right now.
Ima. Emmanuel. You have to saturate my heart. Saturate my heart. Saturate my heart.
Look at me. Zene ekezetekati pampaka rakamopabaka ratikatepa kumarata rambo sompe rataje.
Let it overflow. Emmanuel.
It's happening. Is he touching it? Impartations are real. Ima, look at that. Ima. Ima.